Here's something you don't see on my music channel very often, not very often at least. This is a LG air conditioner. This was basically clean, big air conditioner until it got dirty and as you can probably see. But yeah, it ain't much, but I'll put it on basically low so you guys what it sounds like. Really bad. As you can probably hear, the motor is really weak on this thing. But okay, put it on high fan. There's that. You have that, and then you have low fan. And then you have, ready for it? Alright, cool. Yeah. It's really good air conditioner, but the front of it basically needs to be cleaned and basically everything else because it's been dirty, food thrown on and everything else and shit, but so there you go. And then been aiming to get this basically cleaned up the other aiming to do that. I ain't had a chance, damn headache, you know, so yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, share, favorite my channel, subscribe, Emulate TV. Basically, yeah, add me on Facebook, Trevor King, basically, homie, the verified official, verified artist account, Emulate, baby.